Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will show you how to remove a stamp seal from passport size photo. Let's get started. Firstly, open the ChatGPT, sign up or log in the ChatGPT, then click the plus button, add photo or file, select your photo and open. Now write a prompt and press the enter and wait the some time for removing the stamp seal. Now download this photo, check the photo. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.